In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome, vertical bar, delete browser cache. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the settings menu without interruption. Once Chrome is on your screen, move to the top right corner of the window. There you will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser options, including history, downloads, settings, and privacy tools. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data and select it. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window, where Chrome lets you remove stored information from your browser. In that window, Chrome may show different types of data you can clear. Since the goal here is to clear the cache, focus on the Cached Images and Files option. This is the setting that removes temporary website data stored by Chrome. You may also see options for browsing history and cookies. If you only want to clear the cache, make sure you are selecting the Cached Files option and review the other boxes before continuing. You may also see a time range setting at the top of the window. This lets you choose how much cached data you want to remove, such as the last hour, the last 7 days, or all time. If you want a full reset of cached content, choose all time. Then confirm the action to let Chrome clear the selected data. The process usually takes just a few seconds, although it can take a little longer if a large amount of data has built up. Once it is finished, your cache will be cleared, and websites should load fresh content the next time you visit them. That covers everything you need to know.